Hello, I'm Dave Taylor from Capitalize Analytics. Thank you so much for joining me today for a very quick demo on Casabase ExoInsight and how Oracle customers can use it to help modernize their reporting. Today we're going to talk about Oracle Cloud ERP, Fusion Cloud ERP, specifically those customers who have an investment in BI Publisher. If that's you, you've got a library like this, folder upon folder of all kinds of different reports that have been authored in Oracle for years, potentially hundreds or even thousands of reports on everything: HR, supply chain, payables, receivables, collections. And the library is vast and it's trusted. The reports themselves might not look like much, but we know the SQL, we trust the results, they've been vetted and used forever. ExoInsight communicates with Oracle and pulls that data into Power BI. You can see that ExoInsight connects to all kinds of Oracle applications. You can see Essbase here, HFM. We'll focus on Oracle Cloud ERP and specifically this report runner module. And after logging into my ERP production instance, I can see that exact same library of reports here in ExoInsight. There they are, including that same human capital management report. All I need to do is select the report I want to migrate to Power BI. If it has any prompts, I need to enter those here. This one doesn't need any prompts. I can just run the query and see exactly what Oracle's bringing back. Do I have the number of rows I expect? Do the columns look as I expect? And in my case, everything looks great. ExoInsight brokers the conversation between Oracle and Power BI. So here in Power BI, I basically just need to enter the exact same set of parameters I entered back in the ExoInsight web interface, my username and encrypted password, the report that I want to pull back. And again, if there were any parameters, I would enter those here as well. And now Power BI will communicate with ExoInsight. ExoInsight will communicate with Fusion, and that BI Publisher reports data will come back to Power BI. There it is. There's my data query. Everything that was present in the BI Publisher report is now here for me to use in Power BI. Let's create a map. Look at my data by country. I need to add a new column because the data for salary comes in as text. So I need a little bit of DAX to convert that from text to a nice currency value. And upon so doing, I can add that to my map as well. I don't want the sum, of course. Give me the average. Let's add a few more objects to my panel here. Let's do a card that tells me that same salary. Again, it looks like I'm paying about $80K on average worldwide. It's a lot lower in China, $63K in Australia, $54K in Germany. Let's give our users a quick slicer to slice and dice that data by gender. Another one for age band. And there we go. All the stuff that Power BI does so phenomenally well. I can slice and dice this data to my heart's content, looking at whatever trends I need to study, thanks to Power BI and ExoInsight. And what have we seen here? We've seen BI Publisher reports, Casabase ExoInsight communicating with those reports and pushing the data straight out to Power BI for further consumption by Power BI users. But of course, the sky's the limit with Casabase. You can push the data to Tableau or Snowflake or push it to Alteryx, in which case, of course, once it's in Alteryx, you can do absolutely anything with it. So the possibilities are vast. And if you're a customer who has a heavy investment in BI Publisher but wants to modernize that investment, this is a technology worth taking a look at. Give us a call. We'd be delighted to further the discussion. Thank you.